Yes. What's your name? What's your name? Hey, look at Auntie. What's your name? Hey. Where's your tongue? What's your name? You tell them your name. I will not give you your Yakult, you see. What's your name? Tell them. Hello. Where's the tongue of Chichia? Why can you speak? Can you speak? Tell them hello.
Hello.
I'm. What's your name?
Angeline.
Angeline. How old are you now? How many days?
5.
5. Are you 5? You're very small. You're 5. Say 1 year and 1 year and 9 months. Yeah, 9 months. Can you tell them I'm turning 2?
Turning 2.
Yeah, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to the bye-bye to the phone? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, how you eat where you do that. Bye-bye.